So, after the completion of confusion matrix, though whatever the parameters now we are discussing, it all depends on confusion matrix. So now let us discuss about precision. The precision is the ratio of TP by TP plus Fn, where TP represents number of two positive cases and FP is the number of false negative cases. Okay, na? The precision is, it is defined as the ratio of TP. TP represents the true positive case where woman is pregnant and we are also predicting her as a pregnant. That is true positive case divided by true positive plus false positive. What false positive is saying that false positive is saying us here we are predicting true and we are predicting positive and it is false. Let us take an example of man. Man is here, man is a pregnant. We are predicting man as a pregnant, but he is not. Okay, now that is called false positive case. So this this ratio is known as precision. Precision is calculated by this. So the precision lies between 1 and 0. The range of precision is between 1 and 0. Okay, now it is lying between 1 and 0. There is no negative values for that. See, what is the outcome of all this precision? What we get from this precision is, out of all positive cases, we have predicted correctly how many are actually positive. Okay, now see here how out of all positive cases. So out here this TP plus FT is representing out of all positive cases. What this exactly this numerator is telling us? This numerator is telling that how many are actually positive cases. Denominator is how many total positive cases are there. Okay, na? This is nothing but precision. Precision is a ratio of number of actually positive cases by total number of positive cases, which are present in that model. After prediction, if there are n number of positive cases, in that number of n number of positive cases, how many cases are actually predicted positive is in the denominator. This is clear, I think so. Okay, now a model that produces no false positive has precision 0. Let us take precision will be 1. Let us take if false positive case is nothing, that means 0, then TP by TP becomes 1. So if our model is predicting all true positive cases, if man is pregnant, if woman is pregnant, and we are predicting, our model is also predicting pregnant as it pregnant, so we will not be having, there we will not be having any false positive case. So if we are not having positive case, then TP plus FE becomes 0. So TP by TP becomes 1, right? So then precision will becomes 1 in that scenario. Okay, na? So this is about precision. Let us see an example of precision. How to calculate precision. So let me before that let me tell you an example. See here, as you can see here, true positive. What exactly for our, let us take our best cancer prediction as example. So reality, it is malignant. Malignant in the sense it is class 4, right? Class 4. And model also predicted it as class 4. Okay, now if this is a case, we call it as true positive. Okay, now it is true positive. Let us take an example. If there are 100 samples which we had tested, in that 100 positives we have tested the number of true positive results 1. Only one case is true positive case. Okay, na? And what false positive represents? Reality, it is class 2 and model is predicting as class 4. Okay, na? Predicting value and actual value here we are not matching, so it is called as false positive case. We had trained with one model. Let us assume we had trained with one model. That model results number of, we are taking 100 samples. Let us assume, and one example I am showing you. Okay, the number of positive cases is 1, number of two positive cases is 1, results in 1, number of false positive cases results in 1, number of true negative cases results is 90. See here, it is resulting 90. Reality, it is class 2 and it is also predicting as class 2 only. Let us take here. Here it is a reverse scenario for this false positive. What false positive? Here false positive, reality is class 2, predicting class 4. Here reality is class 4 and it is predicting class 2. Here number of false negative is 8. Okay, now this is an example. Here we are taking 100 instances. In 100 instances, 90 instances are true negative. One instance is true positive, one instance is false positive, and remaining 8 instances as false negative instances. I think so. This is very clear for you. Now, let me show you the problem. We know formula. What is the formula for precision? The precision formula is true. See here, precision is equal to TP by TP plus FP. What exactly TP here? TP is 1, right? Number of true positive cases is 1. 1 by TP plus FP. Number of true positive cases is 1. 1 plus true false positive cases is 1. That is equal to 0.5. So it is 50% accuracy, right? So if precision is 1, it is high, right? If precision lies between 0 and 1, if it is 1, it is a better value. So here only 50% cases will in that are true positive, are tested as true positive, right? So this is about this is about precision. A precision is a ratio of TP by TP plus FP. Thank you.